Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing your device and the slide file. Open your browser in guest or incognito mode so Google won't force a sign-in. Next, locate a PPTX or PDF you want to view or edit. These formats work without an account. Once ready, drag the file into a new browser tab or use the browser's Open File command. This immediately loads it into a previewer or editor interface, so you can begin without creating or signing into a Google account. Once the file is open, choose an editing path. Use a desktop app like PowerPoint or LibreOffice for full editing, or a trusted browser-based third-party editor that doesn't require Google sign-in. Make your slide changes, add text, images, and transitions as needed. When you finish, export or save a copy in PPTX or PDF format. Make sure to name versions clearly so you can track edits. This avoids re-uploading the wrong file and keeps the process efficient without an account. To finish, distribute the saved file. Attach the PPTX or PDF to email or upload it to a non-Google Cloud service for sharing. If recipients report formatting problems, reopen the file in a desktop editor and re-export. Conversion fixes most layout issues. If you encounter sign-in blocks or preview errors, clear cookies, use guest mode again, or switch browsers. One quick troubleshooting tip: try converting to PDF. It preserves layout reliably when collaborators can't open original slide formats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.